Hello sir, this is my continuation of the activity 1, which is the image recognition. I named my app as Think to Think. Now we'll go to the webcam. We have here the real time and the capture. First, let's try this. Then upload. As you can see, the predicted class is the tiger, which has the accuracy of 67%. Now, let's try the real time. It predicted chicken. This real-time function captures the images for every 5 seconds. Then let's try another the capture. Here. Load. Again, it predicted a class of tiger, which has the accuracy of 97.34%. Now, we'll go to the upload feature, which we choose file from the directories. First, we will try the chicken, then classify. The predicted class is the same as the image that was been uploaded. Let's try it again, and for now it's try the tiger image. Let's try if it's accurate or it works. Then its predicted class is tiger with the accuracy of 99%. That's all, sir. Thank you.